everyone, welcome to TidBit Tuesday. Today we want to talk to you about washing and cleaning your camper. We have a great supply of everything you need. We offer several styles of brushes and extension poles to help you reach and clean all those hard to get spots. We highly recommend Reliable Super Spray Cleaner by Reliable Products to help with cleaning. People often ask us, how well does it work? We want to clue you in on a little secret. We use Reliable on a daily basis. That's right. We use Reliable in a 55-gallon drum that we buy for our service department, and they use it every day to clean and prep campers. It's biodegradable, works well on black streak stains, and much, much more. Available to you in 32-ounce spray bottles or 1-gallon jugs. Has instructions on the label here for proper mixing to get the right concentration for the right job. If you have a favorite camper cleaning product that you're looking for, contact us. We might either have it in stock or we can get it for you. We want everyone to have a clean and happy camper from top to bottom. If you have questions on the proper care and maintenance for your camper, come in and see us. Hope to see you soon. Happy camping.